Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this maths question which is based on the PEMDAS. Easy one, but for most of them this one is tricky. For those who have already solved this, go and comment your right answer. I will keep them hot and I will solve this step by step. First part we have 10 minus 4 into 2 plus 8. So according to PEMDAS, first differentiation will be multiplication, then here addition, and at last we will do subtraction. So we will write again 10 minus 4 into 2, which equals to 8 plus 8. As we know, first addition, then next 10, 8 minus 8 and plus 8. We can directly cancel it like this and answer will be 10, or simply both positive 10 plus 8, which equals to 18, minus 8, which equals to 10. So here 10 will be the right answer. If you want to more maths like this, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching, and go and check out in the description for best math books.